Today's video is going to be wedding guest special look that you can carry in any function. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Applying eye concealer on the top of my eyelid, as I always start with my eye makeup. I'm applying Kajal roughly because I want a smudgy look. Now I'm smudging my Kajal. Now I'm taking this brown shade for a nice blended look. Now I'm applying this pink shade. For a more defined eyeliner, I am just retouching my Kajal and just giving a smoky smudgy look here. After highlighting my brow bones, I am now defining my eyebrows. I am applying this color corrector on the areas which are little bit dark or I have dark spots. To hide them, I am applying this color corrector. Now I am applying foundation. I am blending my foundation with the help of this brush. I am using this brush for the very first time. I am very comfortable with beauty blender, but I have never used this brush. So देखिए experience क्या होता है. Now I am applying concealer. Now contouring time. Oops, ये क्या हो गया? ज़्यादा हो गया. Now I have to manage it. Okay, no problem, Shreya. Now what I am doing is that I am taking my concealer brush and I am just blending it. It will lighten the color. Now I am taking the same concealer brush क्योंकि मुझे इतना dark shade नहीं चाहिए. मुझे light contouring चाहिए. But ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है. Okay, no problem. I'm trying to blend it. Okay, cool. Now I'm applying concealer on the bridge of my nose, just below my contour area, on top of my lips. That's all. Now I have to blend it. ये बिल्कुल त्रिशूल जैसा लगता है ना, वो अच्छा लगता है. I'm applying simple talcum powder under my eyes and on the areas where I've applied concealer so that my concealer don't crease and it looks very matte. That's it. Now time to blush. Yes, I'm applying blush. You should always smile when you apply blush. Time to highlight your skin. Yes, I'm applying highlighter now. Now I'm applying काजल. मैं ये स्टेप भूल जा रही थी. अचानक से मुझे याद आया कि मुझे काजल लगाना है, उसको स्मच करना है, जो कि मैं अभी कर रही हूँ. Now I am taking this pink shade and I am applying it just below my waterline to give a pinky effect. So I'm done. Now I'm applying the lipstick. So wait for my final look. So friends, this is the final look. I hope you like this video and the look. You can carry it to any wedding function, Sangeet, Mehendi, etc. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye.